Yeah, today we're doing a live stream on the Express funded account, but before we get started with that, we can take a look at Plex and where we are with that. If you're following the channel, you know I have a Plex algo that trades multiple strategies and just on our BPS. So you can see we have a couple of trades on right now. It's like five positions on. If we open it up, you can see each one is different. We have a Harami on the Nasdaq. We have two bearish engulfing, one on the Nasdaq and one on the S&P 500. We have another Harami on the Nasdaq, and then we have a bearish engulfing on the S&P 500. We had a couple IBS trades on the Nasdaq, but when the market fell because of the attack a couple days ago, it closed it out, so we took a small loss on that. But you can see we bouncing back up now, so the floating equity is 1958. This account initially started with 500 and gradually I added to it, but I could show you an account that when the account started, I can show you an account when the account started. This account started with 500 back in February, and the account is up to 960 right now. No funds were added to it. We didn't take the same amount of trades on this account as my account, and that is because the balance was a bit low, and when the calculation was done, it just couldn't take some of the trades. It didn't, the lot size would not go down below 0.01. So we just didn't take the trades, but we're still not doing bad. We almost up 100% for the year so far on this account, so I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, this is what's going on with Plex. If we take a look at this, so I had an Express funded account. I was trying to scalp like everyone is scalping on YouTube. Scalping is not for me, so I blew that Express funded account. But yesterday I actually got funded again. Let's show you that. We got funded again with this account. I traded the way that I would trade. It took 2 days past the account here, so I got the Express funding for this one, and this is here. So this is a fresh account. Didn't take any trades on it as yet, so we'll see how that go. Most likely I'll be trading this one. At the moment I am also trying to pass this combine here. We up almost 50% of the way to game to passing the combine. I have a position on, and as the market opened, it just dropped like a brick, but that is fine. It within the loss limit. And then we look at this pivot point here. This was inside bar or mother candle, or whatever you want to call it. So we had this range, price traded out of the range, we went up, and then this is the retracement, so we got a bounce off at this point. So that is where we at. I just targeting this high right here, and that would be what going on for this account. So I just holding this for a bit, and we'll see what happens. And for now I will just be monitoring the rest of charts here. Lately I've been trading a lot of the Nikkei. It moves pretty well. I got a position that entered here and closed off at this point for a decent profit, and then the market just shot up as the trading day started. So this is where we are at the moment. So yeah, let me see what happened. If we get any positions today, if we could grind the Express funded account up a bit. What what I want to do is first go on yeah, so because of the way this market drop, I'm not taking any positions right now. Just waiting to see what happens. If we keep getting a pullback on this chart here, I would close this position, take a small loss on it, and then I would look for another position to enter long. What it is with all these notifications. Get out of this trade, I'd connect the both accounts and then start trading it. Start trading on the XFA and copying it to the combine. But yeah, this kind of where we are. We just kind of holding and waiting to see what happens. It's a crazy move up. I definitely wouldn't enter at this point. This is too much of a big move. We need to see some sort of retracement, and then I would take the position. I actually got in around here and I targeted this high right here. We could remove the drawings now since it doesn't apply anymore. We could wait for retracement and see where we at. Look at Bitcoin. Look at this crazy spike here. Let us see. Move back up here. I mean, we could try to take a position on Bitcoin. I really don't want to rush it. I really don't want to rush it at the moment. Just kick back and wait for a while. Crude, we still looking to pull back into this entry point and see if we could take out this high. There's a crazy move down from goal. What we could do is on goal we could wait for a pullback, wait for retracement, and then look for entry position and target these lows right here. We could wait for this setup. We'll keep an eye on goal. Nasdaq, wouldn't gain on Nasdaq. Same for the Dow. And the Nikkei as well. So we just wait. We just be waiting for a bit. So the only one I'm looking at right now is crude oil. Let's see if we get back into this 74.50 level, and then hopefully push up to 75. And pay attention to gold for now. Take a look at gold. If we could pull back up into this first bar here and we look for a red candle, as long as we don't break this point. If we pull back and then we get reversed and we don't break that point, we'll be looking for a short and targeting the 651s. TopStep TV doing?
These main indices ended the prior session slightly lower, signaling a note of caution ahead of this non-farm payroll report. Benchmark dipped 10 points, Dow 30, down 0.04, about 185 points in the tech-heavy Nasdaq, down 7 at 0.04.
Try to take a position.
Dock worker strike. So far, it's been suspended. They didn't say over, but it has been suspended. That's like 45,000 dock workers at 35 far. And their leader, it didn't say over. Harold, don't F with me, Daggett. Some of these comments that he said, I think, really pushed this to a semi-agreement. He did say, we're going to show these greedy bastards you can't survive without us. The guy's a total badass, and I think they did not.
Wait, let me see if we can get a turn around here. Get a red Hikanashi candle and take a shot. once we get out of this position here, I'll switch across to the XFA account, which is the 50K account, and then I would connect the next combine, which we only have 1500 again to go on the next combine in order to pass this. So we have 2 XFAs running, and I'll try to see if I can max it out and get the full 5 XFAs. At that point in time, the aim is to get to about 200 a day, which would be good. 200 a day across 5 XFAs, so I will be happy with that. This is why I didn't want to take that position as we spike it going up. So if we get a pullback, we're dropping. I mean, this is a strong bar, so we're looking for a continuation. If we get the pullback, I'll look for a reversal, and then we would long again. But for now, the eye is on gold. If we can come in to this resistance level here and get a rejection, then we'll be short. Almost at 100% for the year. Once we get this account to 100%, I'll be moving across to TMGM to start a Palm account. That way anybody could follow Plex. Once I do that, there would be a link in the description. I would also send it across on Discord, so you'll be able to sign up an account with the broker, and then you could connect directly to the Plex account and have access to those trades. So this is not Signal, it is not course, it is like an actual Palm account where you copy my live trades. So come back into this area right now. If we get a rejection, we just be targeting these lows here. If the market decides to run away from there, that is fine, we don't care. Almost back up at the entry point. We have 5 contracts on, or 5 micro contracts on so far. Yeah, I wouldn't be taking any more positions on crude at the moment. Look at this spike. I don't know, for some reason natural gas has been absolutely screwing me over the last couple of weeks. Doesn't matter what trades I take on natural gas just doing it to me. Just doing it to me, right through. We have a pullback on Bitcoin now. I believe if we need to take this position, we could target these highs right here. Because we have what? Higher low. This will form a higher low. So, I mean, we could take this position thinking that we have a change in the market direction and then we target these highs right here. But I wouldn't put on more than 1 contract on that. 1 micro. And see what's going on. We'll pull in through this level. If we get hit a bounce and we close back below around this point here, so I think I'll be taking a shot on that goal. Now I have to keep in mind, for the day so far we up $950 on this account. I can't cross 1500, so I have to keep that in mind. And then once I get to that point, I need to kind of cut off this account and switch to the XFA because of that consistency rule. So just need to pay close attention to that. Back at where the market was trading on the Nasdaq before the attack. So from here at this point we were looking for longs, so we could see if we continue with getting longs at that point. Right now the eye is on this crude oil position. just hovering around, not doing much at the moment. Alright, so it's looking like gold going. So we wouldn't be looking for a position on gold right now. We'll switch back to crude oil and just monitor this. We're hovering around this area right here, looking to get a break up. So we will just be waiting at the moment. to pull them back up into the entry zone. I mean, if we get a strong rejection going down, then I'll look to close the trade, but as I say right now, we're targeting the previous high. See if we could sweep the high, take that position, and then look for another one. Oh God, don't say that now. Why you gonna tell me such a hurtful thing? Oh, don't tell me that, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that I'm not in agreement with what you're saying right now. Right? It's sounding like you're telling me some hurtful words. I don't appreciate it. I hear mixed truths right now. Because on one side, I hear mixed truths. Because on one side, I hear what you're saying. But then on the other side, I hear the opposite to that. So I don't know. I don't know which one it is actually. Who lying to me?
Yes.
Say that now. Of the last 2 weeks, no. When I come back home. Come back home. Yeah. Probably not here, but when I reach back. I agree with you, 100%. I'm working on it. Work in progress. Work in progress. Hard one. Oh, that is a hard one. Oh, that is a hard one. That hurtful in itself. Thinking about it, that hurtful in itself. That is hurtful in itself. Trading a combine here, 50K combine, taking an evaluation. Already have a 50K combine, so I'm taking another one right now. Up 950 for the day and up 1400 on the account. I just need to make 3000 to pass this evaluation. Did we connect back? We did connect back. You know, going to is internet keep falling off. Alright, if we get a spike down, we call this a small loss for the day. We still up 955, and we look for another position. We still have about 600 to go to really the limit for consistency rule on this combine for the day. I mean, so we could still look for another position on gold or the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq pulled back here, so we could see if we get a position on the Nasdaq. But for now, I think we had called this crude oil in there. And then look for another position. We're still up a good bit on the day, so taking a 150 loss is not a problem. Try to take a quick scalp here.
Order filled.
Back at the highs. Stop would be right there. Nothing big. want to take this natural gas. We came down, we retraced, we broke this low here. We should be targeting that point. The place is stop above here. What I'll do is I'll switch to the XFA and I'll take this on the XFA account. Sell it here. Target right there actually. This stops right there, 1 to 1. You can keep an eye on that.
Smile, baby. Tell me what I gotta do to please you, baby. If you say I'll do, 'cause I only wanna make you happy, so I can be.
Just bobbing around, not doing much. Not doing much. so we're not going anywhere right now. Right, things moving real slow. I think I'll take a break for a while and might get back to it later. Right now, we just market kind of dead. So, take a break for now.
Order filled.